Today, the city of Indianapolis announced $800,000 will be used to help curb opioid addiction and aid in recovery. These funds are part of a multi-million-dollar nationwide opioid settlement. WRTV's Rachael Wilkerson shares the impact that it'll have on Hoosiers.
We see mental health in our community at large, as well as in our own families sometimes.
Pastor Charles Warren Jr. and his uncle know what it's like to seek help regarding mental health. The veterans both served time in the Middle East.
There is a physical, there's mental, there's spiritual health, and each one of those needs should be addressed by professionals.
Warren is also working to become a chaplain in the VA's office to help tackle the problem. He says more resources are desperately needed, resources the city says it's working to provide. Tuesday, it named 17 local and state organizations receiving money as part of an opioid settlement to help fight the battle of addiction, recovery, and mental health.
Over the past 3 years, we have seen over 800 drug overdose deaths annually, and we want to see that number decreased.
The city says for the past 3 years, opioid overdoses have been the #1 killer across Indianapolis.
It's our reality.
We have people that come in our doors and have an immediate need for counseling, immediate need for support and harm reduction, and we can meet them where they are and help them in the moment of crisis. Last year, we served over 8,000 unique individuals, and prior to the pandemic, that was 4,000. So what we're seeing, increasing numbers.
President and CEO of the Damian Center says it received around $20,000 from the settlement. Funding, he says, provides a safe, free place for community members to come.
Oftentimes, people are worried about cost associated, but all of our services are free, and so people can come in and know they're not going to have a bill associated with it, and they might have to pay for it if they go someplace else.
Another resource that's hitting the streets of Indianapolis include this mobile medical unit run by Aspire Indiana Health.
This four-wheeled beast is the very example of how people get access to treatment.
Its goal is to bring medical help to those without a place to live or struggling to find a way to a clinic.
It's almost 40 feet long, and inside it has high-quality examination rooms and access for everybody. If you're a wheelchair user, you can get on this mobile unit. Our intention is to meet people where they are.
Rachael Wilkerson, WRTV.
Financial support provided to the 17 local and state organizations will continue through next August. If you or someone you know has a substance use disorder, you can get immediate help. One resource is the website findtreatment.gov. That's where you can find a treatment facility near you, or you can call 1-800-662-HELP. Again, that's 1-800-662-HELP.